Alrighty guys, this week's video is going to be a bit different. I know over the last couple of weeks we've been quiet. We've had some visitors over and I couldn't get out last weekend. My brother was up, beers up in the city for him. He's going to Queensland this weekend, so I'm sneaking back down south. I'm heading to Hopetown, rock up. He doesn't know I'm coming, so yeah, hopefully we get on the piss down there. Got the game on in Lake King, so we'll head down there and yeah. Oh, I'm also heading to Adventure 4x4 in Rockingham right now before I leave the city to go check out our new rooftop tent, and they have some MITS alloy canopies there at the moment, so hopefully I get a sneak peek of what ours is going to look like. But yeah, I'll see if I get the camera in there and show you guys a little sneak peek before mine goes on next month. But hang around. Alrighty guys, down here at Adventure 4x4 in Rockingham, just sorting out stuff with Clayton about my rooftop tent, but he's also got a MITS alloy canopy set up on his show rig. It's going to be identical to mine. Out here having to play, getting used to it. It's got the drawer table set up, which should be identical to mine. The clear view, easy slide, the red arc red vision, which is going to be fun. Running 33s, the Heyman Reese X bar, which I'll be getting as well. Getting a GVM upgrade. Unfortunately, I can't get the Old Man Emu remote res. There's just none in stock and I don't want to wait, so I'm just going to get the Old Man Emu Nitro shocks, which will do the trick. But yeah, got the 600mm trundle. Identical to mine because there's the 70-litre under tray water tank plus the 30-litre out the front of the headboard. But yeah, should be good. I'm keen. Only about a month to go and she'll be on. You'd think by now I'd be good in front of a camera, but I still hate being in front of a camera. But I love making these videos. So obviously, as you guys would have just seen, had a quick look at Adventure 4x4's show ute with the MITS alloy train canopy on it. It's basically identical to mine, and it looks smicko. So keen. I saw the rooftop tent. We're going to have plenty of room, me and Christy, for sleeping and baby making, but it's going to be epic. I'm so keen. With the GVM upgrade as well. Their show car is a Hilux, but they're getting the same GVM upgrade, same 600 kilo constant springs, and the height looks mint. The only difference is, yeah, I won't have the BP51s, which sucks, but I'm too impatient to wait, and I need it all ready to go for our trip up north, so yeah, the wait was just going to be too long. But back on the road now, heading south, going to Hopetown, Lake King, going home. I'm going home. I haven't been home in 6 months, so yeah, I'm keen. in Harrismith. It's an old pub, a small pub, but if you're ever down this way, it's definitely worth dropping in. Go meet Russell, he's a good bloke. Good beers, cold beers, but yeah, it's just one of those iconic old country pubs that's definitely worth going and checking out. Alrighty guys, so I'm about 12 k's out of Lake King, and you might, you'll see that. It's 10 k's, I'm pretty sure, of straight road and salt lakes on either side. So I'm going to send the drone up and yeah, get some footage and show you guys. If you haven't been down here, it's yeah, quite spectacular really when it's full of water. Guys, thanks for watching this week's video. I know it was a bit different. I didn't get a chance to get any footage of Hometown. I was only there for the night, it was dark when I got there. And then straight away I had to go to Lake King for the footy, as you would have seen. We'll get footage next time we go down. Spend a bit more time down there and I won't have to be hiding to surprise anyone. I don't know what happened to the drone over the lake, so I do apologise for that footage. Obviously it's still good enough to see, but I don't know why it was a bit blurry and fuzzy. I am lacking on the footage on that trip though, trying to drive the 600 k's, get there in time, hide, and then yeah, trying to get footage all at the same time made it hard. And I had to race back up here on Sunday for work at 4 o'clock on Monday, so didn't really get any time to get footage and get around town, but we do plan on heading down there together, and it's a hell of a lot easier when I've got Christy holding the camera while I can drive, so that will come. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this week's video, and I do apologise for the late upload. I have just started this new job. I'm up earlier, home later, so I've got less time to edit the footage and you know, get it to you guys early. I do plan on hopefully keeping the uploads to a Sunday or a Monday, but we'll see how this new job goes, and I might end up doing the uploads on Fridays, as I have Fridays off now, so I might end up posting them just before we leave for the next trip. So on that, we do have Lake Apowie coming up in 2 weeks, so there should be good footage for that. But yeah, hang around guys, check out the other videos if you haven't already, and yeah, should be good. I will go into more depth on that train canopy once I've got it on my car and give you a proper rundown. I know that was pretty brief, and I know how many times I said it's identical to mine, so please try and ignore that, but yeah, I was just too excited. So I will give you a full rundown, but yeah, be cool.